Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw Info channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to use paintbrush tool. So activate paintbrush tool is shortcut keyboard is B. If you press B, the paintbrush tool get activated over here. So this is option also have some group of other options. So inside you will find three more options. So the pencil tool, blow brush tools and print brush tool. So now we are going to see the print brush tool. So how to use that and the parameter of these tools I'm going to show you. So I have taken the blank artboard over here and I just added one PG2 in this artboard. So generally this is the empty canvas, but I have added one PG2 top of it, and the new layer I have activated the brush over here and I just want to change the brush size. So this is generally default brush when you activate the brush tool over here. So once you select this and change the brush size over here, so it's increase the sizes over here. So now we are going to activate brush tool and we can draw like freehand, like how you can draw it on the papers. Now we are going to see these other properties for this. So we are go and activated property panel for this. So you can see these are the parameters over here once you create this brush over here. So here it is stroke. You can control this size of stroke to selecting these options, and here you can control the opacity. Here it's effect. Now the important part in brush tool, that is this brush. So you see here is multiple option you find over here in brush tool. So you can select this flat brush. So these are the options. So after this you can go, and if you see here it is option selection. So you can give the angle to this brush, like whatever the angle you want, you can give that, roundness and size. So that once you click the preview you can get the preview how it's looking. So this is the option to angle this brush. Then we are going to see the some brush library over here. So if you go and activate this panel, so you will get lot of option for a brush over here. So you can select this kind of arrow after activating this, and you can control the size of it. So now you can easily see this. So see this many options are available over here. Now if you see here bottom, you will find this arrow. If you click this, you will get the different kind of arrows over here. One more time you click, you will get another this kind of options over here. And this is artistic calligraphy brush, so it's get activated over here. So this is the predefined size for it, you see. Then we'll go next. So this is artist charcoal pencil brush. So you can, through this option you can, even though you activate this and if you draw brush, so it will take the that properties over there. So I'll show you that also. I'll delete these entire things and I'll show you how you can use that. So this is the way you can use the brush tool. So now I have activated this option, so you see. So this is really very powerful tool. So where you want to create some vector illustrations and give some texture feel to that illustration, so You can use this multiple brush and give whatever texture you want, you give the whatever appearance you want. So this is the lot of effect like dry brush or charcoal kind of effect is available over here. This brush tool also work very well with the Wacom tablet, pen tablet. So if you have pen tablet and through that you can create any kind of illustration, you can use effectively this brush tool with the pen tablet. So now currently lot of low budget pen tablet available in market, so you can purchase that and work on it. Cintiq and the high-end tablet also available. Through that you can create any kind of illustration. So then we'll see this artistic ink brush over here. So I'm going to select this all these things, and then you will see the, if I change the, select this, see this lighter brush. So it's very interesting actually. You can play around with this brush and come up with the very nice and very different kind of graphics to use of this brush. So it's very important actually to know this tool, very powerful effect of this, and that you can create any kind of stunning graphic of using this kind of brush effect. So I use lot of these things in my illustrations when I do the drawing and sketchings. So that is the basic use of this brush tool. So you see lot of options over here, so you can explore all these options, so and check which are the best suitable for you. So that is the use of brush tool. You can see this dotted options also available over here. So it's a really very interesting tool, and you can play around with this, and you can create whatever the style texture you want for this. So this is all about the information about the brushes I have given over here in this tutorial. This is all basic information. So advanced level of use in brush, I will come up with the few new tutorial where I am going to explain advanced level use of brush. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.